Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Savory Baker is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any modern kitchen, capable of transforming simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces with its unique combination of features and performance. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cooking enthusiast, this appliance promises to elevate your baking and roasting game, offering consistent results and unparalleled convenience that will make you wonder how you ever lived without it. Get ready to discover a new level of flavor and texture in your favorite dishes. Number 5. Lavatools Javelin Pro Classic Meat Thermometer. This professional digital thermometer has been voted the best in its class by leading publications like America's Test Kitchen, Wirecutter, and NBC News. It's also been featured in numerous major magazines, proving its reliability and quality. Get ultra-fast temperature readings in just 2 to 3 seconds. Its advanced Japanese sensor makes it one of the most popular cooking and grilling accessories available. Achieve superb accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit thanks to laboratory calibration. This instrument-grade digital thermometer is designed to eliminate the guesswork from your cooking. The large, auto-rotating, motion-activated backlit display is perfect for any user, including those wearing gloves, working at awkward angles, or who are left-handed. Its IP65 rated water-resistant construction protects it from spills and daily kitchen use. Plus, with over 4,000 hours of battery life and auto-sleep features, it's ready for any cooking task. This thermometer is certified by NSF, CE, RoHS, and UKCA, ensuring its safety for food use and commercial applications. It's a reliable tool for any kitchen. What we like? This thermometer offers incredibly fast and accurate temperature readings. Its auto-rotating backlit display is a game-changer for readability at any angle. If you're a grill master or a busy home cook who values speed and convenience, this is the tool for you. What people say. The Savory Baker is a versatile baking dish that can be used for a variety of recipes, from casseroles to desserts. It is made of durable stoneware that is oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The non-stick surface makes for easy cleanup. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Digital Kitchen Food Scale. Introducing the OXO Good Grips 11-pound digital kitchen food scale. It's designed for precision and ease in your kitchen. Crafted with a stainless steel finish, this scale resists smudges and fingerprints, keeping it looking clean. It's as practical as it is stylish. Easily tear the scale before weighing additional ingredients with its convenient zero function. This ensures accurate measurements every time. The digital screen features large, easy-to-read numbers, making it simple to check your measurements at a glance. No more squinting. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable platform. Simply detach it for convenient washing after use. A clever pull-out display prevents shadowing from large plates or bowls. You'll always have a clear view of your measurements. Effortlessly switch between units of measurement with the unit conversion button. You can weigh in ounces, pounds, grams, or kilograms. What we like? This scale provides precise measurements for all your baking and cooking needs. The pull-out display is brilliant for keeping numbers visible even with large bowls. If you're a baker who needs accuracy and ease of use, especially when dealing with larger quantities, this scale will be your new best friend. What people say. The Savory Baker is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, especially for those who love to bake. Its innovative design allows for even heat distribution, ensuring perfectly baked goods every time. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and the durable construction promises long-lasting use. Number 3. TempPro TP03B Digital Meat Thermometer. Introducing the TempPro TP03B, designed to make your cooking experience seamless and stress-free. Easily operate its features with simple button presses for a convenient cooking process. Get precise temperature readings in just 1 second with an accuracy of plus minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your food is always cooked to perfection, giving you complete control. Check your cooking progress with ease thanks to the large, easy-to-read numbers and a bright backlit display. It's simple to view your results, whether you're cooking indoors or grilling outside, at any time. Its foldable probe and compact design make it highly portable and easy to store. Use the built-in magnet or hook for quick access, keeping it handy wherever you need it. This thermometer comes with a long-lasting AAA battery, making replacement simple. Its wide measuring range makes it perfect for various tasks, from checking meats to liquids and fried foods. ThermoPro is now TempPro, maintaining the same commitment to quality and product excellence. You may receive a product branded as either ThermoPro or TempPro during this transition. What we like. Get perfectly cooked food every time with its rapid and precise temperature readings. The foldable probe makes it super convenient to store and carry. If you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly thermometer for grilling, smoking, or even candy making, this offers exceptional value and performance. What people say. The Savory Baker from America's Test Kitchen is a versatile baking dish that can be used for a variety of recipes, from casseroles to desserts. Its durable construction and even heating capabilities ensure consistent results every time you bake. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your delicious creations. Number 2. Victorinox Fibrox Pro 8-inch Chef's Knife. Introducing the Victorinox Fibrox Pro 8-inch Chef's Knife. It's designed for both home chefs and professionals, offering exceptional cutting performance. This knife is fit for all tasks, big and small. Its razor-sharp, laser-tested blade effortlessly chops, minces, slices, and dices, making it an essential kitchen tool. Experience easy handling with its ergonomic TPE handle, providing a non-slip grip even when wet. It's weighted and balanced for comfortable use. Crafted in Switzerland, this knife is made from durable stainless steel and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Enjoy trusted Swiss quality. Victorinox provides a lifetime guarantee against defects in material and workmanship. We are committed to quality that lasts. What we like. This knife is designed for ultimate control and comfort in the kitchen. Its exceptionally sharp blade makes chopping, slicing, and dicing a breeze. If you're a home chef or a professional who demands a reliable, comfortable, and easy-to-clean knife for everyday tasks, this is an indispensable tool. What people say. The Savory Baker is a versatile baking dish that can be used for a variety of dishes, from casseroles to desserts. It is made of durable stoneware that is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The non-stick surface makes for easy cleanup. Number 1. The Savory Baker, 150 Creative Recipes. Discover a world of flavor with 150 unique recipes. From timeless classics to exciting modern twists, this collection has something for everyone. Explore beloved traditional dishes that have stood the test of time. These recipes bring warmth and familiarity to your kitchen. Venture into innovative culinary territory with contemporary creations. Experience exciting new tastes and techniques. Whether it's a weeknight dinner or a special celebration, find the perfect dish. These recipes are designed to impress. With 150 inspiring options, you're sure to find your next go-to recipe. Elevate your cooking with this comprehensive guide. This is your ultimate resource for delicious and creative baking. Expand your repertoire and delight your taste buds. What we like. This cookbook is packed with a wide array of delicious savory recipes. It covers everything from timeless classics to contemporary culinary creations. If you're looking to expand your repertoire of savory dishes and want inspiration for both everyday meals and special occasions, this book is a must-have. What people say. The Savory Baker is a versatile baking dish that can be used for a variety of recipes, from casseroles to desserts. It is made of durable stoneware that is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The non-stick surface makes for easy cleanup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.